cancer ni tukurania icio ndenda twambe tuguthuke imwe kwa imwe nginya kundu gugwitwo Bondo ni kurikana Jabaira ni ukunjirite Dr. SK Macharia ni athiete nake gugitwara macakaya make muno ucio kango kwa Jaramogi niho hau reke tuthie imwe kwa imwe nginya mwana ucio.
On board. members here who are the host, the ones who are receiving guests. So I'll introduce them, the houses, and other members. So I'll start with Mama Susan. Now, who's where? You have Emily.
Poleni sana. Mine is just to say sorry. I know it's not an easy burden to carry. I know how close you are with Baba. So it was his way of preparing us for this, even though we were not prepared for it. But it was his way of staying strong for the family, staying strong for the country. What we can give Baba right now is to stay strong for him and be united. Otherwise, thank you so much for coming over. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Emily Odinga. I'm a sister to Honorable Raila and also serve at the Kisumu County Assembly as an elected MC of Kisumu. Thank you.
So in Mama's house, we are two. Of the firstborn, she's my follow. So Mama Betty is she's the owner of this house.
Good morning. And to welcome you home. We are the people that are taking care of Baba. You know, when you call him Baba, you can call us Dan, my grandmother. So we are the grandmothers to the nation. We know how we feel. Losing a father is not easy. We always say sorry to you because we understand us. But the only good thing is that the time we proposed was very convenient to everyone because he need to give us time to look at whatever we are suffering from. By now, so many of us will be in hospitals taking medicine because we are having high blood pressure. But that time was very short and we had just to make ourselves strong to be there. So we appreciate so much his decision. And we really appreciate you for coming after the burial. Because after Jesus was buried, only those who came were true friends. Those who were not true friends never came. So we welcome you, feel at home. This is your home. Thank you so much.
In Mama Betty's house, we have 6 siblings. Firstborn, we have Paulina. Paulina is here.
I'll make it very brief. It's Paulina Odinga, County Chief of the Service Administration. And it's rural media services that has made me do a lot of interviews. And I think Baba gave all, everything that he could give, left everything. So right now, it's for us to learn how to deal with his departure. So the question we ask ourselves is, what can we do better in circumstances where he's not around? How can we ensure that his legacy stays? How can we make sure that the values that he believed in are carried forward? How can we make sure that the hard work he did, the foundation he laid, and the building he put up does not crumble down? So all in all, I thank you so much. It takes very few friends to remember to come back because you're here during the burial. It takes very few people who can come back and remember that there's a friend I left behind and I have to go back at his absence. It's
been with us from the time of the never left us. Congratulations, son. Mungu akubariki sana. And now, even as we make our very best, we still pray and hope that the friendship will support. I can give you a thank you for the generosity you showed us throughout this time. Royal Media was present with us throughout. For that, we should do so.
Anapiga picha. Thank you very much. So, on behalf of ourselves, all of us here, we are very grateful that today we have been visited by a great friend of the Jaramogi family, a great friend of Jaramogi, a great friend of Baba, Chairman SK Macharia. We are truly grateful that he has found time to come to see where his friend has been laid. He's still here with us. He will move from here, here Kangoka Jaramogi. We will proceed to Opoda, where he'll be visiting with Excellency Dr. Raila Odinga and the rest of the family. So that is how the journey will proceed. And the family here have received him, and he has said pole to them, and he will now proceed to meet Dr. Buru and Ida in Opoda. Thank you.
Anybody from the family?
Yeah. Mama, maybe.
Sawa. We have been very grateful for the visit that has been made by the best friend of our, they call him Baba and we call him Chairman. We are very grateful. We have just welcomed him here because he's proceeding to where our Baba had his home. So all that we can say is that they have safe journey home. Thank you so much for welcome. I'm Betty Oginga. We have here with Susan Oginga. We are the two of us that are taking care of Mzee's family, the home. Thank you so much.
Abu.
Commander confirm. Check. Azimio TV, we're good.
Na mtazamaji, huku msafara ukiendelea upande wa pili kuja nyumbani,
members of the press, you already. I came this morning to see Aida and pat her back and tell her to keep out. Merely because she has been left by her husband, who is also my brother, my little younger brother. We go back with Raila and Aida during Jaramogi's time. And the last day Jaramogi left Nairobi, we walked through her as his secretary, and I walked him through the stairs of Ajib House. And as I put him in the car, he told me he will come back the following week. We go and see President Moi. He had rang President Moi and told him that he wants an appointment with him and SK. So I walked him downstairs and put him in the car to come to Bondo and come back to Nairobi the following week. As I put him in the car in Nairobi, he told me he has two sons, one called Oburu and one called Laira. And I'm older of them, of the two of them. I take care of them. So whenever you have been hearing rumors, Akikuyu called SK, even during Matiba's time, that is supporting Raila Odinga or others during Kebake's time and Uhuru's time, that I'm supporting Odinga, Raila Odinga, is because they are my brothers. They were left for me, and she testifies to that by the father, Odinga. You take heart, Mama. Take heart.
Thank you.
We'll find him there. He's a great man. He was a great man. Just like his father. Like father, like son. He was a great father. For this country, he has given to this country what we don't know. Maybe the history will tell us. But for now, we don't know anybody else who has given that much of his life to this country. Yeah. Let's wait. Those who will be here, like the young Turks, they will tell us when they come to heaven. Mama, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Mama can say something.
I want to thank SK on behalf of the Odinga family. I want to say a big thank you to SK Macharia. Now, the story of the Odingas and SK goes a long way. It started way back in the early 90s, 1991, 92, and so forth. And SK has been a close friend of this family. I remember in early 1992, sometimes in March, when, do I say I lost my job? Or I'll say I was sacked? I was sacked for the second time. The people who reached me first was SK. When that happened, I moved to Ajip House, where Jaramogi's office was, and SK came there, and he thought I was the secretary, but actually I acted like one in Jaramogi's office. Since then, he's been with us through very many journeys, and SK, I want to thank you so much for being around for the Odinga family. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Nijo thurwa mantie adwa wacho ni osiep mar joka Jaramogi kod SK en osiep moa mabor. Ochakore higa mar 90 akiane en gachiel 90 kanyo 92 to nen ng'at mane Jaramogi ohero kendo ng'at mane Jaramogi wuoyogo machiegni. To kane Jaramogi odhi, in fact the last time mane Jaramogi Ajip House, SK nen kar kanyo. Aeto SK ukowe nyaka piny from 5th floor kowe nyaka piny on the ground bo idho mtoka bo wuoyo kode bo kone ni mondo rit yowuoti ariyogo eko. And osetiyo maber, oserito gi nyaka sani. Amor nobiro kaka wuono mondo bendo biyo gono osiepni oriti. Wagone erokamano mondo Nyasaye oriti kod family ne to kod joge duto gi jok motiyogo. Erokamano. So, now we can say it.
They're saying they want to settle the retreat first back in the house.
Okay.
They want to settle.
They want to settle.
Okay.
Say bye to them.
As our dignitaries retreat back to their house, I will request that the rest of us ceremony that will begin shortly. Thank you very much for being.
Ndio hali ilivyo nyumbani kwa marehemu.